Welcome to part 2 of the co-branding collection, and we're going to dive into the GoPro and Red Bull collaboration. Now, you wouldn't have thought a soft drink and a technology company could really collaborate, but the reason why it works so well is because of how both brands have aligned themselves with extreme sports. At any extreme sport event, you will see GoPro and you will see Red Bull, and we know a huge chunk of their audience also shares a passion for it. In an interview with GoPro talking about the collaboration, they said that both brands share the same vision, and that vision is to inspire the world to live a bigger life. GoPro as a brand now have access to over 1,800 Red Bull events, scoping 100 countries. They both share content rights on co-productions, and related content will be distributed across both their channels. By doing this, both brands have leveraged each other's audiences, reputation, and increased their reach and exposure. This is such a good example of how two seemingly very different brands can have such a successful collaboration.